what's up? It's your girl Jill. I'm about to do a prank. Just cover the title. I'm about to crack my sister phone. She got the same phone. So first her phone cracked like really bad, but she got a new one that looks the same, but it's cracked up. The new one is still cracked up, but not cracked up as the old one. So let's get some money. What?
What could possibly be going on?
A fight?
No.
You broken a rule?
No.
You ever had 2 women
Old.
fight
New.
No.
Breaking
So I'm gonna
rules and
switch
breaking
case.
hearts, that's what life's all about. Believe in fate. And I think I know why you're my man. You're gonna leave Fairville. You're gonna take a holiday. I got your reason right here.
What is it? What?
I want you to be at my birthday party.
New York City? How would I ever? I couldn't possibly.
This
This
is
is all
all
happening so fast.
See you in 5 days, brother.
but tight.
Please. Have you ever been on an airplane?
No. The only thing you're gonna learn about yourself on planes is that you like to play your roasted peanuts better than the plain salted. If you're really hungry, the open road is a smorgasbord of life experience. It is on the open road worth a lifetime in Fairville. The way I see it, Pee-wee Herman, you gotta trust
I'm about to go on it, and then I'm gonna have a phone. I'm gonna show it. And I'm gonna just drop.
and live in it all.
Naya.
Stick around here or live a little. What should I do? I wish I had some kind of sign. Yeah! That's a big apple. Big apple.
Give me my real phone.
Bingo!
Haters, Naya. Oh my god, dang. This was a backfire. This is a backfire, y'all. But this now I'm gonna come back over.
Where have you been? I'm leaving town.